Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to format your SD card in the Samsung S20 or S20 Plus or S20 Pro. To do this operation, go to the settings here and now search for device care, and now go to storage here and here on the advanced right here, and now click on the SD card and click the format SD card. Now is formatting all data, so be sure because your phone now erasing all the data from your SD card, so be sure to get the copy if you have some important files on it. That's it. SD card setup. Your SD card is ready to use because it's finished of the format, and that's it. You have format your SD card. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!